Let's talk about Philips Saeco CA6702 Brita Intenza water filter pack of 1. Reduces limescale buildup in the coffee machine. Provide a longer machine life and optimal performance. Fits for Saeco espresso machine. Replace every 2 months after installing. There is no expiry date mentioned on the product. Leaving machine clean, fresh and working more efficiently. Bought these filters for Gaggia Anima. They are exactly the same as Gaggia branded ones but about 5 cheaper. Philips Saeco Gaggia as the same family brand. Super fast delivery, too. Excellent at keeping the coffee clear of surface scum, essential if you, like me, live in a hard water area. I usually find performance exceeds the 3 mths they say, but the machine is in regular use multiple times a day, and I use Brita filtered water to start with, same as I used to fill the kettle. Nothing to say really. Does the job, arrived quickly thanks same day delivery and saved my machine from imminent descale doom.